Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Poydra, local and long-distance movers near me. When executing long-distance shifts, the major concern that catches our attention is getting your items damaged due to wear and tear. Plus, when shifting your items to long routes, there might be the possibility for you to face legal issues. If in any case, it's just that you do not possess the required licenses and permits. Why to hire us? We are trained and professional teams of movers. Our licenses have been approved, and we have good working relationships with local and federal authorities. Like any other person, you also must have a thought to take the help of your loved ones instead of hiring professional movers for your shifting. Handling delicate and heavy items without prior experience can be risky for you and the people helping you. It also might injure you or cause wear and tear to your belongings. It's always recommended to consider hiring trained professionals for your moving project, but if you don't wish to spend less, it's better to hire 3 movers. This is because they are also reliable and affordable while they're certified. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Poydra moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.